Whoa, who is she? Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for joining me and welcome. So today's video I am so excited about because I feel like I finally broke through and had a successful twist out, y'all. Like, can we just get into this twist out, y'all? Can we get into it? But can we get into this curl bounce back though? Like, hello. Today's video I am testing out the Keracare Curl Essence line. I stumbled upon this just browsing through YouTube and trying to figure out some products that I can use on my hair to keep it moisturized, and it's made specifically for us, and it is with Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. So this is going to leave your hair very moisturized and just healthy feeling. Like, my hair feels very healthy and like it looks really healthy and really good. I wanted to make sure I didn't pick out the hair too much because I want this to last. So yes, you guys, this Curl Essence line, first of all, it's affordable. Second of all, it's affordable. And it's Keracare. Y'all did that, okay? Y'all did that. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling, and if you guys would like to see how I got this super defined twist out, please keep watching.
Alright you guys, so my hair is separated into 4 sections, and I'm going to take the first section and spritz it with a little bit of warm to hot water, and then I'm just going to finger detangle it. Then I'm going to separate that section into a subsection and kind of eyeball how I want the size of my twist. I wanted them to be on the smaller size. And then I'm going to start out by taking the moisturizing leave-in conditioner. This leave-in had a very milky texture, and I wasn't really used to that. I'm used to using thicker leave-ins, but I wasn't really mad at it because my hair really liked it and it defined really well. So I'm just gonna work that into that section, and then to seal in that leave-in, I'm gonna be taking my castor oil with rosemary, and I'm just gonna apply that right on top. Alright, next I'm going to be taking the moisturizing curling cream, and I'm just going to add a generous amount to that section. I really liked the curling cream because it was super thick, and my hair loves thick products. And I'm just going to work that cream into that section and make sure that every strand is coated. And then I'm going to take my Denman brush and begin to detangle, just making sure that all the curls are uniform and everything is defined and ready for my twist. So what I'm going to do is separate that into 2 sections and begin my 2-strand twists. When you do your 2-strand twist, you want to make sure that you don't borrow hair, because that's just going to make the taking out process that much easier. And as I get to the ends, I'm going to take my Denman brush and define my ends, and I'm going to complete my twist. When I get to the end of my twist, I like to twirl it around my finger just to lock in my hair and make sure that everything is uniform. And trust me, y'all, because there is nothing worse than having a twist out with fuzzy ends. Like, it is not cute. So for this last section, for the front of my hair, I wanted it to fall in front of my face. So I decided to do 2 flat twists, and so that's what you see me doing here. When I'm about halfway through, I'm going to take my Denman brush just to make sure that there aren't any tangles, and then I'm going to finish the remainder of my twist using the same technique as the twist that I did before. And then I'm going to do this last twist, and I'm just going to speed through it because it's pretty repetitive. And you guys, in no way am I a professional. I just wanted to show you guys my twist out process as I learn my hair, and yeah, I wanted to take you guys on this journey as well. Alright, so once I'm done, I'm going to take a little bit of my castor oil and I'm going to apply this to my edges. This has been a sensitive area for me, so this has become a nightly routine. So I'm just going to work that in, just making sure that I show some love to my edges. And once I'm done, I'm just going to take a towel and remove any of the excess product. I find that this just makes my hair dry faster, and it prevents any white cast from forming from the product. Alright, so it's 2 days later. The first thing I'm going to do is take the oil cocktail from the Curl Essence line. I'm going to apply this to my hands. You want to make sure you add an oil to your hands before you take down your hair because this is going to prevent frizz. The way I like to untwist my hair, I like to twist the entire twist in the opposite direction and then separate from the center. It basically, and once you do that, it basically unravels by itself. I learned this technique from the good sis Casey. Make sure you guys go check out her channel. So basically, if your twists are done right and you didn't borrow any hair, it's just gonna unravel by itself. It's super simple. You guys can just watch how I do it here. Then I'm just gonna separate each twist probably about 2 to 3 times to add more volume. And then I'm going to take this wide tooth comb just to fluff and tease the roots and just make it as big as I want. I try not to over fluff because I do want this twist out to last, so I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't out here looking bald or anything. But yeah, other than that, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really love this Curl Essence line. Like, I haven't heard too many people talk about it, so I'm excited and I'm happy that I had a successful twist out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.